Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Venue? Navigate your cityscape with a new sense of confidence when you're behind the wheel of this sporty Venue. Standard driver assist with available options, touchscreen infotainment, and crossover versatility make this mini SUV the right choice for all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Tackle your urban environment in style and comfort in this capable Venue. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.